Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In this video we're going to show you how to remove and replace the gas pedal on a Ford Focus. This one is a 2012 model, but it's the same from all the way from 2012 to 2015. So as you can see, this is the gas pedal, and it's electronic gas pedal, so sometimes they will fail, and if you need to replace it, you cannot just replace the sensor. You have to buy, I think, the whole pedal assembly. So right here, all you need is a 10mm socket now, and we need to remove this nut. Okay, let me see if I can get a better view. This one right there on the bottom. So just take it off all the way. We remove this one, so you just pull it out like that, and after that, let me see if I can get a better view here. There is one more that we will need to remove, and it's on the top. Okay, let me see, right there. Okay, this one right here. You can see where it is. It's a really tight fit. Okay guys, we removed the one on the top right there, and now we are ready to just pull the gas pedal assembly out of there. Okay, let me show you. You just need to grab it like that and pull it out, and now you have the wire on the top, and this wire, let me get a better view. There is one notch on the back right here on the left side of the pedal that you need to press down in order to remove. Okay, so what you need to do now, you just need to go right there and press down. Okay, you can see this one is right there now, and this is the whole gas pedal assembly right here. Really easy to remove, just two nuts and one wire on the top that you need to remove. So that's how you remove and replace it. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.